Alright, so welcome to this session. This is Mathematics on Free, and we want to talk about the trigonometry. So the question is, what is trigonometry? So the word trigonometry is just very simple. What we actually study is that we study the relationship that exists between the sides of a triangle and the angles. So this is the study, or this is the branch of mathematics that studies the relationship between the sides of the triangle and the angles. So the branch of mathematics that deals with the study of the relationship between the sides of the triangle and the angles is what you call as the trigonometry. So let us now look at calculating the trigonometric ratios, right? So let us now talk about the trigonometric ratios. Oh no, before we go to the trigonometric ratios, let us now look at identifying the sides of right angle the triangle. Let us now look at identifying the sides of a right angled triangle. Okay, so remember when we talk of the sides, when we talk of the right angled triangle, we mean it's a triangle that has got an angle of 90 degrees. So we call it as right angled triangle. So let us now look at the how do we define the sides of a triangle according to the trigonometry. Right, so let me just draw a triangle here so that you're going to be seeing what I'm trying to say. So if you have got a triangle like this one and then this one, okay, this side, see if this one is 90 degrees, it means this triangle is a right angle triangle, and then let's label it as A, B, C. So let us mark an angle. Let us mark angle B and give it as this one theta. So let us now start defining the sides of the right angle triangle. So let us begin with the what we call it as the opposite side. Okay. Or let's start with hypotenuse. Hypotenuse side. Okay, so the hypotenuse side actually is the side that faces the right angle. If you can see on the triangle here, the right angle is this one. It's this angle. That's the right angle. So that angle is facing the side BC. So it means BC is the hypotenuse side. So it's the side that faces the right angle. You get the point? So it's the side that faces the right angle, or it's the longest side of a triangle. If you can see AB and BC, the one who is longer than the two is BC. So BC is the is the hypotenuse side. So we say that hypotenuse side is the longest side of a triangle, or we say is the side that faces the right angle. So we can call it as the side that faces the right angle. Okay, let us talk about number 2. The side number 2, which is what you call it as the opposite side. The opposite opposite side. So opposite side is the side that is opposite to the given angle. I have to be clear here. The point is, when talk of the opposite side, we mean that it's a side that faces the given angle. So if I say the given angle, I'm trying to say that in a right angle triangle, you can be given an angle apart from 90 degrees. You can be given an angle. So in this case, we've been given this angle as angle theta. We have labeled it as theta. So this angle, we're going to focus on the side that has faced that angle. So in this case, we can say that this side AC is looking the angle theta. So in this case, you can say that side AC is the opposite side. So to define, the definition of opposite side is the side it's the side that faces the given angle. The side that faces the given angle, right? Yeah, so it's the side that faces the given angle. We call it as the opposite side. So it depends on the position of the angle, right? It depends on the position of angle. So if the angle can be here, like on point C, it means the opposite side will change, will no longer be AC, will change, will be AB, because it's the angle that faces the right angle. Alright, so let us finish the sides by talking about the adjacent side. So when talk of the adjacent side, it's the side that makes an angle, that makes the given angle together with the hypotenuse. So we call it as the side that makes the given angle with the hypotenuse side. Hypotenuse side. So the point is the side that makes the given angle with the hypotenuse side. So the point is, we are having let me just take this diagram. Let me put it here. I do this. Okay, so the point is, in our triangle here, what we're having is that we have been given the angle theta. Okay, or let me just draw another triangle here. Maybe it should be looking clearly at this triangle. This is 90 degrees, this is B, this is A, this is C. We're given this angle theta. We know that this one, BC, is hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse. While in this case, AC is our opposite side. But this side AB is adjacent. What I'm trying to say is that the side that makes the given angle with the hypotenuse. So if I say that makes the given angle with the hypotenuse side, what I'm trying to say here is that we have been given angle what? We've been given angle theta. So if you can see theta clearly, you will see that theta has been made by the hypotenuse side and the other side. So in this case, if you can have this line making theta by joining with AB, it means AB is hypotenuse. So if you can change now our angle to be this point, it means AB will no longer be adjacent, because it is now facing the angle, so it means it will be the opposite side. But AC now will be adjacent because this one is the BC is hypotenuse and AC is the now adjacent side. Hope I'm now clear on this point. So after looking at this point, let us now look on finding the trigonometric ratios in the next video.